It's your boy Perplex, Cerebral Cortex Reviews. How y'all feeling? I was right. I told you. I told you. This NBA season is going to be crazy. The last video I made about the NBA season due to the events that's going on, I was giving my assumptions and predictions. See how I messed up, but I put that together and made it right. It's like you messed up on a pie, but you go ahead and add a couple of ingredients, man. You can tighten it up. Anyway, y'all, listen. According to yahoosports.com and now bleacherreport.com. Excuse my notifications. I got notifications shooting in, y'all. So we got two credible, very, very credible sources saying we're looking at not a 30-day window of return, such as what our commissioner of the NBA, Adam Silver, said. We're going to be more than likely, according to the CDC, the Center for Disease Control, mid-June at best. So you're talking, okay, and I just found out a lot of teams have 19 to 24 games remaining in the season. Now they're trying to vie over should we play the last 20 games of the season, 24 games of the season? Should we just go right into the playoffs? Going right into the playoffs is a high possibility, but it can't be the regular format. They can't just go into the regular format because they're going to be so pressed for time. You don't want to go into mid to late August because now you're in football season, and the NBA don't want to do that. So what they're probably going to do, and according to yahoonews.com, they're going to probably steal, and I was talking about this, just a prediction, they're going to steal the tournament bracket based approach that the NCAA is now utilizing for their March Madness and other tournaments they have. I think that'd be dope. But now, I mean, with all this time they're going to have off, they need to decide how they're going to do it. Are they going to use the top 12 teams, the top 16 teams, as they've been talking about the last couple years? Are they going to just say the hell with it and include all 30 teams and let them all duke it out? I don't know. But I don't expect to see the NBA again until June. They will finish up the season, though. They will finish up. They will crown a champion. Because as I said in my previous video on hoops, you've got teams that's doing very, very well. And so, you know, they don't want to just do them a disservice by just scratching and wiping away their hard work and sending them home like nothing happened. You got teams right now who's at 50 wins already. You got teams right now, that's at 45 wins already. You got teams that's doing very well. And you got teams that's streaking right now, that's out of the playoffs with a couple more wins, are back in the playoffs. So, I mean, you don't want to put them in a situation to where, like, okay, the season is over. But, I think everything is going to be well. The sun is going to be shining again on the people in the world, and we're going to be good. Perplex believes I'm an optimistic kind of guy. I mean, we're going to be good. We're going to take care of this situation. Everything's going to be fresh. Now, I got more good news on that. Hey, save the season, and with all the playoffs and all that stuff, the tournament going and all that stuff be over around, let's say the beginning of August, right? You're talking about training camp is in September in the NBA, baby. Training camp is in September. So, hey, they take a month off, month and a half off, boom. Get right back to it. We back to NBA basketball. So if your team didn't do so well this year, hey, we got another season on the way, baby. NBA, oh man, what they gonna do with the NBA draft? The NBA draft is coming up. How they gonna implement that? They're gonna have the draft in the middle of the season if they have to start back up in June. That's crazy, man. That's gonna be sick, man. You might as well forget about Summer League. I mean, they do have Summer League. It's gonna be some real quick. Maybe some for about a week and a half, maybe 2 weeks tops. It won't be a month-long summer league like how it's been in the past few years. It won't be that anymore, man. You're talking about 1 week, 2 weeks tops, man, because they got to get the big boys back on the court, man, and get the game rolling, because they don't want to be constantly pushing the season back every single year. You know what I mean? So, because that can cause problems because the NBA don't want to keep overlapping into other sports. due to this unfortunate situation that we're going through. They have to right now. But that's my take. I don't want to keep y'all on long. I just want to give y'all my take. I got sources this time. I was just talking out of my behind last time. Listen, what's your take? I'm out, y'all.